Welcome back to another episode in the Flex 83 series. In this episode, we will learn how to create dynamic pages and serve them via business APIs built in episode 7 of this series. To do that, you have to go to the pages under the developer workbench on the navigation, and you will see a list of previously made pages here. By clicking on the plus button on the top right corner, you can add a page and supply your own HTML and CSS, and the output of your code will reflect in the output section, as shown below. It is always helpful to add a page name before you save it. Upon saving, your newly developed page will reflect in the page listing. For example, in one of my previously built pages for customer analytics, if I click on View, this would take me to another page here. And so this page is being supplied by the APIs that I have built in the API gateway, and if you go to the developer workbench and API gateway, you will arrive at this page. So, for example, I'm using the API I have built here, which gives me the result of our ML model and the response of actual power versus predicted power. Now I can use this API to feed into the page I have made here. So, for example, I can build a dashboard here that uses this API, and the page can be that dynamic. So here is how Flex 83 allows you to use the API gateway to make APIs, make custom pages on top of that, and use those APIs to feed those custom pages. This is how we create pages in the AEP, and you can make yours and serve APIs from API Gateway on these pages. In the next episode, we will cover the application Builder tool in Flex 83. Thanks a lot for watching.